Here is how to message in Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can message someone in the Badoo app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the encounter section. Then in order to message someone, go to the chats option that you can see on the bottom. After that, it will show you all the messages that you have had on the top section and then show all the messages. Now in order to send a message to a particular person, you can simply open the chat box and then send the message. In case it's a new match, then you will find the profile of the person under likes and matches section. You can simply choose that particular profile and then send the message. Other than this, there is also a paid method by which you can send text messages on the Badoo app. For example, let's go to the nearby section. Then you will find the profiles of the people that are near you. Now let me select a random profile. When you tap on a particular profile, you will get the options to like the profile and send message. Liking the profile is pretty easy. You can simply tap on the like button and you will like the profile. Now you will also find the chat option in here, and that is where you can send the text messages without matching. For example, when you tap on the message icon, it says that you can chat with the particular person for 250 credits, or you can get Badoo Premium Plus. Hence, by using these methods, you can message in the Badoo app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.